Hello everyone, today is a good day. I just wanted to do a quick update on my vehicle. Well, technically it's my brother's now, but we'll do the videos on my channel still. Only because it doesn't have a channel yet. Once he has his own, he'll make his own videos on it. Recently, and that looks pretty bad, the sun is right in our eyes. So recently you probably can see that we raised it back up with the R design springs back on. We had H&R springs on it before. We did not like the ride quality, and the handling I did not think changed much with the H&R springs, so we just decided to put the stock ones back on. So we got those recently, got brand new tires, got the Continentals on it. They're so far awesome. Did the brakes in the front and the rear, pads and rotors. And also we recently we put the IPD cat bag back on, the muffler, because we did a muffler delete from IPD. We wanted it louder, but then we changed our mind again because it was a little too loud. So for our neighborhood it's a little better. So also got these tips. They look a lot nicer blue when they're washed. They're not dirty. And also, quick update, we also did a dyno test today. Just took it to the dyno. I was really curious what numbers we'll get. And here they are. We got 289 horsepower at the wheels and 353 pound-feet of torque. That's at 32,000 RPM at PAE Racing. Not much surprise there. I was kind of expecting those numbers because I know the torque holds out pretty good to the wheels, and the engine is pretty close. The horsepower, well, I thought maybe it's gonna be around 300. It was a little bit off with the upgrades. I have IPD turbo back exhaust with the high flow catalytic converter right now. No tune of any sort. And recently we got the intercooler, the DD88 or DO88, whatever it's called. So yeah, that's the numbers for now. My brother's thinking to do a tune, probably a Heiko Stage 2 Plus tune. So after that we'll see. We'll compare the numbers. We'll take it to the dyno again and see what the numbers will show, the difference now and then after the tune, see if it's worth it or not. We'll start it really quick. Again, get you the sound. It's hot, we're just driving it, so it's not really a cold start, but sounds good still, I think, inside as well. So yeah, that's the plan for this car so far. I think he's thinking to get an intake for it and the tune. That's probably it for now. At least that's his plans, I think. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, comments below. Ciao.